Word of the day is future proofing. So you just got in an accident, car's a mess, and you're trying to get it all taken care of. Our job is twofold. So one is to fix the current accident, right? You got to make sure everything's back like it was supposed to be. Everything looks nice, it's all pretty, shiny, all that stuff. On the back end of that, we got to make sure we do everything right so that the next time you're in an accident, everything works the same. That's super important to us. That's the whole job of a car these days. They all crumple front or back or wherever. Whenever you get in an accident, they all crumple up to absorb all that impact so that you're safe inside the car. And our job is to make sure that that same thing happens again if you're ever in another accident. So maybe your repairs are taking a little bit longer than you were thinking. There's a method to the madness. It's because we're going through everything. We're making sure it's all done right, going and reading through procedures, making sure that not only is this accident taken care of, but you're gonna be safe in the next accident. But when you're shopping around for a body shop, make sure you're getting one that you can trust, that you know is gonna do a good job for you. And keep in mind, not just fixing this accident, you're making sure you're ready for the next accident too. Any questions, as usual, give me a call or swing by here at Johnson Auto Body.